In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes. In my case, this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings and this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!